Now this is an interesting one. It's based on the idea that the actual word orangutan means man in the forest, but I for years and years thought orangutan was just a literal translation because they're kind of an orange in colour, that it actually means orange man. And so basically I did this kind of humorous quip of an illustration based on the idea that these two orangutans are actually making their fruit, or their chosen fruit, oranges, the orange colour they like, so it goes from green, and he's also drinking an orange based drink. And the little thing on the thing, pongo, is actually the literal scientific name for orangutan, so it all ties together, but it was based on the idea of my misunderstanding of the title orangutan meaning orange man.